When building write-back interfaces, simply closing a form after a database write is a poor user experience. If your users have to manually refresh their browser tabs to see updated charts, your application is still behaving like a basic spreadsheet. Today, we're going to look at event-driven UI chains. We'll show you how to program multiple asynchronous feedback events on a single button click, instantly, focusing our UI on the newly created record and force syncing our background charts without a single page reload. So, we're inside our command terminal on our sort tab. And here we're going to select our onboard operative button and scroll down the sidebar to the output object set. To synchronize our interface, we first need to capture the output of our transaction. So we click the input and select new object set variable. And we're going to name it exactly new operative output. This safely holds the newly created record at the boundary so our downstream events can query it. Next, we toggle on successful completion of action submission to chain our success events. So we're going to add an event and select Open Object View. Here we set the target to our new variable. This ensures that the millisecond the database transaction completes, the platform will automatically pop up a full screen profile card of the newly onboarded operative, allowing immediate review. Now we run our background housekeeping. We'll add another event and select Reset Chart Click Filter Value. This automatically clears any active filters on our chart so the dashboard is pristine when the user exits the profile view. Finally, we add our third event. Enable Auto Refresh Updates. This invalidates our client-side cache and triggers an immediate database resync, forcing our metrics chart to dynamically pull the new counts in the background. So now we click Save and Publish to deploy this live, and therein we've chained our database writes, state-isolated redirects, filter resets, and real-time cache updates into a single asynchronous loop. So that's how you design a clean flow. Our present-day data loops are secure and reactive, but high-performance operations requires us to look forward. So next up, we're going to enter the core of operational decision-making, scenarios, showing you how to run risk-free what-if predictions directly against your ontology.